Hi ladies, today we're talking 5 simple beauty bowls. These are easy to make snacks and light meal ideas using many of the anti-aging skin foods that I featured in my last video that I know y'all love, 15 anti-aging foods to take years off of your skin. The link to that video is in the description box. I wanted to share a few of these very easy meal ideas with you ladies because it's one thing to know what foods are great for your skin and your body, but the obvious question is, okay, well, how does that apply to my everyday life? And how can I integrate those into my daily meals? I've got you covered. Packed with free radical fighting antioxidants and tons of vitamins that help produce collagen in our skin, the recipes are in the video description box so you can start making them today. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Avocado kale berry smoothie bowl. This is a recipe that I adapted from Go Dairy Free. Packed with anti-aging food, you simply throw all the ingredients into a blender and then top with your favorite toppings. I use non-dairy yogurt, kale, avocado, protein powder, and fresh mint. Oh, and of course frozen berries. Give it a whir, divide it between 2 bowls, and top it with walnut, chia seeds, and some fresh berries. This is something that I would have for breakfast, maybe a snack, or a very light meal. Plus, the fat from the nuts and the avocado will keep you fuller for longer. Overnight oats, chia seed, and berry bowl. When Oliver and I go to Vegas every once in a while, we always stay at the Encore Tower Suites. This particular recipe is an adaptation from their Healthy Start menu. Oliver loved it so much that I kind of figured out what was in it, and I make it at home for him now pretty much every night. This consists of overnight rolled oats, skin-friendly chia seeds. I add flaxseed for extra omega-3 and fiber, roasted cashew nut butter, fresh antioxidant berries, cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are a great source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Plus, it gives the dish a nice little texture. The chia and ground flaxseed make this bowl high in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and help to keep skin supple and moisturized. They also have plenty of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from oxidative damage. This works well for breakfast or even a light meal. You know those nights when you're not really hungry, but you want a little something? This would fit the bill. Okay, Oliver eats it for a snack. I personally think it's a little too caloric for that, but he's like feeding a small football team, honestly. Mediterranean tomato basil beauty bowl. Ridiculously easy to make. I have it as a snack or even as a very light dinner with a little piece of salmon on the side. Quick side note, we as Americans tend to make protein the main staple of our meal and fill it in with vegetables as a side. I reverse that. Veggies are the main, a little piece of fish is the side. This dish consists of cherry tomatoes halved, torn fresh basil to taste, sliced red onion to taste, throw in some Kalamata olives, and then a very simple dressing of a little olive oil and white balsamic vinegar, some kosher salt, black pepper, mix it together, bada bing, bada bang. Red grape, apple, and walnut bowl. This is somewhat reminiscent of a Waldorf salad without the chicken. We're talking anti-aging, antioxidant-packed red grapes, walnuts for more antioxidants and vitamin B, fresh apple and celery for extra crunch and flavor. The dressing is also super simple. It's a combination of vegan mayonnaise, vegan yogurt, a little Dijon mustard, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, toss the salad, delicious. This is something that I would have for a light dinner. Of course, if you do eat meat, a chopped chicken breast would add lean protein to it and be equally delicious. And finally, a roasted carrot, broccoli, and tahini bowl. This is a recipe that I got from Running on Real Food, and it is delicious. This is definitely either a lunch or a dinner. I tend to make lunch my heavier meal, but do whatever you like to do for yourself personally. We're talking beta-carotene rich roasted carrots and broccoli, which are rich in zinc, vitamin A and C, laid atop quinoa, chickpeas, drizzled with a lemon tahini dressing, and sprinkled with some pepitas, are better known as pumpkin seeds. Side note on this one, you guys know that I personally take it really easy on the starchy carbs, and this particular bowl would be my personal maximum of 2 servings of starchy carbs per day. The half a cup of chickpeas and the half a cup of quinoa equal 2 starchy carb servings. So if you're watching your weight, just know that a bowl like this, generally speaking, would be the maximum number of starchy carbs that you would want to have. Of course, everybody's body is different, but I always like to give general guidelines for you to take into account and then make the best decision for your own body based on your own personal needs. Okay, y'all, those are 5 delicious beauty bowls. I hope you try. Let me know what you think of them. Every single one of these recipes are in the description box underneath the video. And until a couple days from now, I'll see y'all later. Bye.